You can only push the boundaries if you have the necessary potential. If you're ready to strive for every tenth of a second and fight it out for every hundredth of a second. For those who don't wait but act. For those who don't hesitate but shift up a gear. Faster than all the others. Every gear change shortens your lap time. En route to your new personal best. Just above ground level and low at the rear is the newly developed flat-six engine, which peaks at 9,000 RPM. Maximum torque of 440 Newton meters is available at 6,250 RPM. The high-revving engine fully exploits its 3.8-liter capacity to generate a power output of 350 kilowatts, 475 horsepower. The sport's exhaust system reduces the exhaust back pressure and thus increases efficiency. The new 911 GT3 boasts incredible powers of acceleration, completing the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, all the way up to a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour. Nevertheless, fuel consumption and CO2 emissions are lower than on the previous model. This is thanks to a weight-to-power ratio of just 4.1 kilograms per kilowatt, 3 kilograms per horsepower. And direct fuel injection, DFI, featured in a 911 GT3 model for the first time. A sporting premiere in the new 911 GT3, 7-speed Porsche Doppelkupplung, PDK, is fitted as standard for gear shifts with millisecond precision, with short ratios designed specifically for the racetrack, with a 50% reduction in shift throw, and with a performance-oriented 7th gear engineered for maximum speed. In sport mode, the gear changes are even more dynamic, and the shift points are raised even further. For gear shift action, just like the professionals.